So my name is Grooms. I'm a new grad from Ohio State. My experience with implants before this class was pretty limited. We took one course in dental school. I didn't really have a lot of knowledge about implant surgery. This class was different than I expected because I didn't expect to get quite as much hands-on experience as I got. We had several lectures the first few days. We did some surgery, and then the last few days were all surgery. And with a lot of assistance from the doctors at first, tapering down as time went on, we got to do more things on our own near the end. And it's almost to the point where I had no experience with implants coming in, and I almost feel comfortable doing them on my own now. I placed 28 implants in 4 days here, which is pretty amazing. I mean, Drs. Chaffin and Brown gave us a lot of really good instruction over the weekend. One of the coolest things they talked about was immediate implants, which was most of what we did here this weekend. And again, I didn't have much knowledge about the concept of immediate implants, and they were able to explain it in a way that was easy to understand and easy to implement. And they walked us through it as we did it clinically, and we got enough repetitions doing that to the point where we were able to start figuring out drill sizes, implant sizes on our own, and becoming a little more autonomous with our work. This course got me to the point where I'm at a place where I'm starting to feel pretty comfortable, probably starting to do some of these things on my own, working my way up to the bigger cases. I think the atmosphere here was one of the premiums of the Institute. The doctors here have so much energy, they're invested in you, and they won't let you fail. I would recommend this course to any doctor out there because I'm a new grad. I had very little knowledge about implants, and after 4 days here, I'm at a point where I'm starting to feel comfortable enough to take on some of these cases on my own, especially if you're a doctor that's already gotten some experience with single tooth replacement or even multi-unit. This course will be beneficial to anybody who takes it.